This is my UGC 7-day results video. Welcome to this video. As you can see, it is May 30th, 2026, and I do not give out any type of financial information or encouragement from this video. I'm just showing you exactly what I do with UGC Protocol and how my results are going. If you decide to become a part of this platform, click on the link in the description below, but that is entirely your decision. So you can see, once I click on my Rabby wallet, which most people are not using, which is okay, there's plenty of wallets you can use, we will see my results here for the first 7 full days. Okay, so I've basically made close to $500, more than the midpoint that I even actually invested in. I love the fact that you can look at your transactions with UGC Protocol right here specifically, and they come in pretty much online on their own. Okay, so I love that part of it. And let me get into answering a few questions that I've seen in the comments and emails. People are asking me, well, how do you do this? How do you do that? There's not much that I can tell you on that. What I can say is how I actually signed up. And here's the first one. How many slots can we purchase? Well, up to 5 per level. Okay, you can see one of mine's already done, but the level is still going, so I don't have to replace any of those $10 lots, okay, or slots. And then we have the second slot, which is obviously the $20 slot, and I think I have 4 of those purchased, okay, and then slot 3, which is obviously the $40 slot level, and then the $80 level, and then the actual $160 level, and then the $320 level, okay? And it's really important to understand that once you see this point right here, I believe it is, actually, no, this is the records for what you're receiving. The green is what your actual slots are giving you, and the red is actually unilevel connection with affiliates, okay? Then actually, in my account is what I want to show you with UGC Protocol, okay? Now, people are asking, what level do I go to? And you can tell, even with me, the top 4 levels are probably just fine. Now, that's the 10, that's the 20, that's the 40, and that's the 80, okay? Obviously, if you get the 160, and a couple more for the 320 is fine. My idea is getting to the 10th level, so eventually I'm going to purchase a slot 7. Otherwise, you can see that a majority of the people that you sign up are going into this level right here, and then a little bit more in the second, and a little bit more in the third level, which is probably the $40 level, okay? So you don't have to go too far into getting into some type of return on your money, okay? Let's go to the actual sign up, because this is where people get a little misunderstanding in the UGC Protocol and the slots that they purchase, okay? You can purchase up to 5 active, see that? And if one goes away, it's okay. You can still keep the other one. Or if you just have one and you need to replace it, then you definitely want to replace it to get credit for that level, because you need to anyway. If you don't replace it, you're not going to continue to double it, correct? So you want it to go to 200% is the main thing with UGC Protocol, okay? And what type of wallet? Well, you can use a MetaMask wallet. With the information that I send you, click on the link in the description below for the PDF itself, or if you request from me an email with information, I send you basically the same info. It'll give you some examples on different types of wallets. I just happen to have a Rabby wallet, and I've just designated that wallet to be a part of UGC Protocol, and that's it. Okay, it's not a part of anything else. And as you can see, I've got all kinds of things here I can do. And remember, you're in what we call BEP 20, which is part of the BNB protocol. Okay, and then it's very easy to exchange that on this Rabby wallet into Ethereum, and then I can send the Ethereum off, or I can send the BNB off to my cold storage wallet as well. I know how to do that very, very well. Okay, so this platform is working. I cannot vouch for its reliability at some point because it's a third-party platform, but I can say in the first 7 days of the UGC platform, I have earned a consistent income every day. The last thing I would say about UGC Protocol is that the referral link is right here. You should use that. If you decide to get in to this, you should use it consistently to show to everyone else and let them determine for themselves, just like I have, whether or not it's going to be a good fit for them. Okay? Again, I'm not giving any type of financial advice. I'm just showing you a review of my first 7 days in the UGC protocol, and it's consistently working. Ladies and gentlemen, the way I make cryptocurrency is I get in quickly, I pounce, I roll for as long as I can, and at least this UGC protocol is extracting my profits every day for me, instead of me having to submit a withdrawal request. So click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.